What happens when we use volcanoes as garbage dumps? Imagine hurling everything from kitchen scraps to industrial waste into the fiery pit of a volcano. It sounds like a simple solution to our ever-growing waste problem, doesn't it? But the reality is far more complex and dangerous. Volcanoes, magnificent and powerful as they are, operate under delicate geological conditions. Dr. Emily Stanton, a renowned volcanologist, shares that throwing trash into a volcano might initially seem like an effective way to dispose of waste. However, the introduction of foreign materials can lead to unpredictable and hazardous chemical reactions. These reactions are not only a concern for the immediate vicinity, but can have far-reaching impacts on global ecological systems. One might wonder what exactly happens when modern waste meets molten rock. Dr. Stanton explains that most waste contains plastics and metals, which when introduced to extreme heat release toxic gases like dioxins and heavy metal vapors into the atmosphere. These are not only harmful to human health but also contribute significantly to air pollution and acid rain. Furthermore, the potential for explosive reactions cannot be overlooked. Environmental scientist Dr. Mark Liang points out, organic material can decompose rapidly when thrown into a volcano, potentially causing explosive steam eruptions. These are not typical volcanic eruptions but are driven by the sudden interaction of water from waste and hot magma. The impact on local wildlife and communities is profound. Toxic ash and gases can settle on nearby water sources and agricultural land, leading to contaminated water supplies and soil degradation. This not only affects plant life, but also the animals and humans who depend on these resources for survival. To visualize, imagine a once thriving forest near a volcano now becoming a barren wasteland, its soil poisoned and water sources undrinkable. The chain reaction of environmental damage extends far beyond the immediate area, affecting ecological balances and contributing to the loss of biodiversity. Concluding, while the idea of disposing of waste in volcanoes might appear as a quick fix, the reality is a complex web of negative consequences. It poses severe risks to environmental health and safety, making it an unsustainable and hazardous practice. Our planet offers many sustainable waste management solutions that do not involve compromising the natural behavior of our geological formations. It's crucial to explore and invest in these environmentally friendly practices rather than opt for seemingly simple yet destructive methods. The health of our Earth and future generations depends on the choices we make today about how we manage our waste.